Hey, C-Max here. We're going to do a disassembly and reassembly on the Mosin-Nagant M-44 and its Chinese clone, the Type 53, same gun. All right. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open the bolt. You always want to make sure it's empty. To remove the bolt, pull and hold the trigger. Bolt slides right out. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to remove these two bands. Now, I folded the bayonet out and locked in its outward position just because it makes it easier to do these things. But we want to do these two rings next. Press right here and hold. Slide the ring forward. This one a little bit stiffer, but still very manageable. All right. Turn it back over. This top cover comes off. Now, you really only have two screws that hold together. You've got this one, which goes down through and into the top, right in the top part of this. Then you've got this screw, which goes from the bottom to the top into a block underneath the receiver. So you just have to remove those two screws. So we'll start with this one. Use your gunsmith screwdriver and be very careful. Do not mar the all right. We got that done. So we're going to turn it over. Same thing. Be real careful. Don't mar up the screw heads. Boom. As you can see, the magazine and the trigger housing come right out. So all you have to do now is just lift and barrel receiver comes right out. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can take that screw out and that screw out, remove the butt plate. If you want to remove these two, you would just drive them out from this side. Never do anything with this support here. There's just nothing else to take apart. That's it. Okay, let's put it back together. It's just reverse process of what we just did. Your barrel receiver assembly, your rings forward. The only thing you really have to pay particular attention to is the trigger here going through that slot. So she should just set down into place, just like that. And there's a couple of different ways. We can go ahead and put this together here, then put that together. We can do that and then this. For the video, I think I'm going to put this on first. Normally, I probably wouldn't, but that probably helped my camera angle, let me hold it a little bit better, put the bottom piece on. So you take the top form, set it down. You'll see right here that everything lines up. So this doesn't line up with that, it lines up back here. So I don't think this is the original piece because I think it's supposed to come out to here. But I could be wrong. Okay, so what we want to do here is right here, there's where the ring is joined together. So you're going to want that to go on the bottom side or on the down side. So hold everything together, take the big ring, so it should just pass over the first one, get it up here, boom, clicks into place. Now if you get one that doesn't slide real easy, you can kind of work with it and pull it together and move it around. It may help it slide. But if you need to help it along, the wooden dowel and the small hammer back and forth, that way you don't mar anything up. Wood, I use wood more and more. It's the way to go. Chopsticks, drive out almost all the pins unless they're real small ones. They work really well. So then over the second one, you just do the same thing. Pull it up. Boom, it just clicks into place. Okay, so we have this screw that goes straight down and it screws into this threaded portion right here. Then we've got the smaller screw which goes up into the block here. So what we're going to do is let me turn it over. Alright, let's see. That's what I want to do. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start this one here. I've got my finger over the one here just so it won't come loose. So, now I'm just trying to get it on here, just not tight, just to hold it in place for the. All right, turn it over, and let's tighten this one down. Come on, there we go. There we go. Now you don't have to torque this stuff down, just get it tight. Go back over here. And tighten this one again. Like I said, don't over torque it, just get it tight. Okay. Now pull the trigger and hold it. Bolt will just slide straight in. So we've got yep, it works good. All right, that's it. Mosin-Nagant M-44 Chinese Type 53 clone. All the other ones, that's assembly and disassembly. If you haven't seen my shooting review, I've got that on a separate video of this gun. Just search the playlist there and you'll see it under gun reviews. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget, keep your finger off the trigger till you're ready to fire. Always know where your muzzle's pointed. Every time you pick up a gun, you check the action. Be safe, have fun. Thanks for watching.